So some people have been asking me to put up or shut up about my StealthSonic, obsession. So the guys at DeWalt were nice enough to send me the DeWalt StealthSonic there with the chrome tank, the whole 9 yards, everything, I guess stainless steel. And we're going to put it up against one of my favorite wet dry vacs and the new Hercules dust collector, dust filter kind of thing. So we're going to see, we got a bucket of dust here, and we're going to see what does what and how loud they are. So first of all, we're going to do a loudness test. And what I got here is I got a sound meter here, and we're going to hold it right here so you can see right along with me just exactly how loud these are. All right, go ahead and turn on the red vacuum. All right, go and turn on the Hercules. It's the dial on the left. And turn the other dial all the way up. It is. Okay, it's all the way up. Okay? All right, now turn on the StealthSonic. It's on, right? It not only is it quieter, as you can see, but the pitch is different to the point where it doesn't hurt your eardrums. You could actually have a conversation while this is running. We are now. All right, but then the question is, do we lose power when we do this? All right, let's find out. Let's start with the power. There's our pile of shavings. All right, let's do the Hercules here. Vanna pours out the dust. Let's go for it. Not really what this is designed for, but we have it here. All right, now let's try the DeWalt StealthSonic. Close-up of the machine here. Nice big button up top. There's your port on the front. Here's a bag of accessories. Giant handle on it, easy to grab. Your ducts on the back there for the hour. Go ahead and open it up. Pretty easy to open up. Now it does come with a bag. We're not using the bag. We just got the filter on it. All right, you saw it in action. I've been talking about the DeWalt StealthSonic series here for at least a year at this point. I'm over the moon on these, and anybody who's ever been around one instantly gets it. And hopefully this video helped you understand that. Now, as far as ordering and pricing and stuff like that, they're not inexpensive. These are higher end units, and you're paying for that privilege of not having to have, bleed out of your ears. If I can get the page to work right here. Anyway, the unit as tested here, it's their 5-gallon with the stainless steel drum on it. It comes with all those attachments, comes with the bag, comes with that nice attachment system for the bag. I like that, so your stuff isn't flopping around. You don't lose your accessories and stuff like that. That's the hose strap there I'm talking about. It's got a little bungee cord on it. A big, giant handle on it. It's almost like a cleat for a boat. Easy cord wrap on it. Nice big toggle switch up top. 4 horsepower motor with all the asterisks on it. Quick connect locking port. I thought it was easy enough to use. The swivels were pretty good. The only thing negative you can say about this thing, if you're being entirely honest, the only really negative thing is it's not cheap. It is really well made. And the benefit is, remember, that decibel, the actual difference is every 3 decibels. The perceived difference is every 10. And this was what the other one was running at 76. This was running at 76. The red one was running at 90. That is 16 decibels All right, that's 1.5 times the perceived difference. That is a huge, and again, it's also the difference in pitch that really helps there. I won't use a regular, wet dry vac now that I found the StealthSonic until everyone else, figures it out. But I'll got to be honest, it's, you know what? I did enough damage to my hearing as a young guy, and I'm going to tell you right now, you don't want to be like me. You don't want to be. My family will tell you, my number one statement they hear from me is, what? Because I miss everything. Don't be like me. Protect your hearing. Be smart. Wear hearing protection when you can. And if not, get yourself a StealthSonic. There you go. It's over there. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Links are down below. As always, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.